guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit of an informative video. So you must have seen in the title that this video is all about forget waxing for your life. To be honest, this video is about that, and if it helps you, I will be really more than happy. So let's start with the video without talking too much. Today I will be talking about a very important equipment. So I'll just quickly show you. This is an epilator, guys. I have spoken a lot about it. In fact, I have also done a video on it, but I haven't spoken about it in quite a detail. This is what an epilator is. If you go on to the website, there will be a lot of technical things and some things that probably I don't understand. So let me just simplify everything for you. Epilator is just a simple machine. It has this kind of a body which is like easier to hold. So on this portion, it has a motor. There is also this switch in the front, on and off switch over here, and then on the top part are these rotatory tweezers. You know those simple tweezers with which we just pluck our eyebrows or any unwanted hair? Just imagine just putting a lot of tweezers which are like circular and then they rotate. It is what the concept of it is like. So it has a lot of rotatory tweezers. So once you switch it on, the tweezers start rotating at a faster rate, and as you move it on the body, as they roll onto your body, on the way, whatever hair comes in their way, they just keep on plucking it. So that is the concept of an epilator. When I started with epilator, I think 2 years back. So what I'm talking about is my experience of 2 long years, plus I have recommended epilators to a lot of my friends, acquaintances, and trust me, they are more than happy with their lives now. It is so much more sorted than their life previously during the era of waxing. I call the waxing era to be kind of really old, because when you have epilators, you really do not have to worry. Now what epilators does is, let me just quickly start. When I saw this particular product, I was really excited because waxing is such a jhanjat wala kaam. To be honest, you have to book an appointment, or even if you're going to the local Didi's parlor, it is like so unhygienic. First thing, you have to wait. The most pathetic part is that you have to actually wait for your entire hair to grow, become a bhalu, and then go and then wax it off. I mean, I don't understand the point of it. What if something important comes up where you have to wear sleeveless or a dress or something where you have to show your hands? You cannot definitely be covered up while you're just growing your hair. So that was something that kind of really irked me. So you would say, why not shave? Now shaving is also an option, and I did it. To be honest, I have shaved my hands and legs. It is a great quick way of removing your unwanted hair, but I don't like the second day effect. So you have this really coarse hands where you have the small hair coming out, and everywhere you touch it you feel like a prickly thing, which is something I really hate. Coming to epilators, so when I did, I think there were only few YouTubers who did epilators, but none of them said that go and buy it. Maybe you have come across certain YouTubers who specifically said ki go buy this product, it is an amazing product. So every time I watched a video, I was into two minds. Yeah, loo ya nahi loo, I'm not sure. I mean, you have given everything out, all the details, all the technicalities, but tell me, should I buy it? So that was something I was very confused, because I would honestly tell you, this is a pricey product when you kind of look at it just up front. Ekdam say you have to shell out 1700, 1800 or even 2000 rupees. Like, my god, this is so expensive. But when you actually calculate the cost of all your waxing sessions, or if you calculate the cost of your creams and shaving creams, and on top of that the moisturizers and all the hassle and the time that you spend, this is actually quite an economic product. I spent somewhere around 1800 on this product some 2 years back, and trust me, it has costed me, it has been really cost effective. I mean, every time I feel like, oh, party hai aaj, acha, I have to shave my leg. So I'll just take this, run it over my legs, and I'm sorted. So what is the kind of result does an epilator gives? This was a question, and I think a lot of people whom I told about epilators first said, acha, it is like a razor, so it's going to shave your hands and legs, or it is like a trimmer. No, it is not. Epilator is something which has rotatory, tweezers, so it's going to pluck your hair. What is the effect? Does it have side effects? No, not at all. The effect after you have run this over on your body, the effect is exactly like waxing part. That means the hair are removed from the roots, and it's going to give you really soft, smooth skin, minus the hassle of waxing. So you don't have to go on with all those chip-chippa feeling, all those clothes, shut your room, kapde ke strips, itna sara pain. So and then you have to wash it, then you have to either throw away those. I mean, waxing is really very jhanjat kam. Epilator is just close your room, put in some music, run it on the parts where you want the hair to be removed, and that's it. It is so hassle free. Just dust off the hair thing that has come out, moisturize your body, and that is pretty much it. So when we talk about epilators, we always associate it with pain, lot of pain. So does it pain? Well, I would say that remember the first time that you were going for a waxing. Everybody was consoling. Don't worry, it's going to be alright. It's just going to pain you once. Trust me, the same is with this also. So as you run it on your body, you will feel somebody is pinching you and things like that. And after a while, after a couple of usages, you will get accustomed to it. So just put some music in and you won't even feel how it feels. It has made my life so easy, trust me. I'm talking all random. I really hope it makes sense because I have no notes, nothing of that sort. One of you really wanted me to do a video on epilators, so that's why, because the longest time I was avoiding it because I was not really frank enough to talk about hair removal on this channel, but I thought it is good time. I have tested, tried it on myself and I know the results, so I'm like kind of ready to talk about it. So I really like this product. Mine is a Philips one. This is called a Satinel. It's a simple one. This is the most basic of the epilators. You don't have to shell out 5,000 rupees. Get yourself the most basic one, which is like for around 2,000 rupees or something. Save your pocket money. If you're still a student and you have to go to parlors to get yourself waxed, save yourself money because you can just not use it on yourself. If you have a sister, she can use it. Your mom can use it. So many people can use it because this part right here is actually detachable. So you can just run it under the water, just wash it with a brush and it's good to go. So it's kind of really hygienic, and what I like to do is, because I just use it on myself, I just take a little bit of a cotton pad or something, I just pour some sanitizer and just clean the tweezers. That's it. I mean, it's just so simple. It is the simplest machine that you will ever come across, which has made life really easy. So there are a lot of epilators in the market. I can talk about the one that I have used, but I think Braun also makes one. You can buy whichever is handy for you. You can try it if your friend has, but this is a product I would say that one definitely needs. So if you ask me, the length of the hair that it plucks, so whatever you see on your skin plus something that you are not able to see, it plucks each and every single tiniest strand. I don't want to go into the details, but I will put in the screen the length of the hair that it plucks, and it is quite efficient, guys. Let me tell you, the motor of this Philips Satinel is quite efficient because I use it like for 45 minutes to 50 minutes at a stretch, and it just heats up a little bit, but no damage whatsoever. So the next question that you will be having is, for how long does your skin feel really satiny, soft, smooth without hair? The effect is, as I said, exactly similar to waxing. So I think for 2-3 weeks you will have no hair. Once you start having small hair, you don't have to really wait for the hair to come out. So I mean, you don't have to fully grow your hair. You can just run this over and you'll be perfect and ready again. So that is the best thing that I really like. Because of this product, honestly guys, I am always clean. I don't have hair on my body because of this. I really like this product. So anytime anything urgent comes up, the last minute party, the last minute hassles, just run this over and you're sorted inside your home without the appointment, without the hassle, without spending any money. Where all can you use it? Well, let me tell you where I use it. So the best places to use an epilator would be your legs, your arms, underarms, and your upper lip, this part which you get threaded. So these are the places actually I use for. There are a lot of people who do their facial hair, but I will not suggest that, because if you have sensitive skin, or even some people can claim of rashes and breakout post using this, because it kind of plucks your hair from the roots, so it can give you some bumps. So stay away from using it on your face. Do not use any kind of a plucking thing on your face, please, but you can definitely use it for your mustache wala part. That's it. And you can use it for arms, you can use it for underarms. It hurts a little bit more in the underarms, but the result is fantastic. It is way better than shaving. For the bikini area, I don't find it really that handy. The only reason is because it really hurts a lot. Skin is really soft there, so that's why you might want to stick to whatever you feel the best than this. This is not a great place for the bikini area because it hurts like hell. So this is great product. I will recommend you that you go ahead and buy it. If you do not want to buy it upfront, make sure that at least you give it a try. Just get accustomed to it. It pains a little bit in the beginning, but everything gets okay after a while. It is a product that gets a really big thumbs up from my side. If you want to take anything away from this channel, if you're a viewer or even a subscriber, if you want to take anything away from this channel, please make sure that you just try this Epilator once. Why am I selling you this? I'm not being paid by Philips. I'm not being paid by any company. It is just because I see a lot of people under a lot of struggle when it comes to hair removal. Everybody cannot get a laser thing. I don't think it's even safe. And there is no foolproof way of getting yourself clean and nice the entire month, because for 2-3 weeks you're fine after waxing and then you have to grow your hair to get it done again. So that is something I don't find really convenient. So this is one thing that you can go for. Just try it. I'm going to leave a link of it, the Philips one and the Braun one, whichever you find better. You can definitely go ahead and buy it. And even if you want to try it, you can give it a try if your friend has it, or if you can get hold of this one by any chance. This is the most basic one with a cord. So it comes with a really long cord. I have not gone into the technicalities of this product, mainly because I don't feel that is important. I am sitting before you. I have been using this product. I'm still using it, and I have been using it from the past 2 years continuously on and off, and it has served me so well. I don't worry anymore for hair. I don't worry for the sudden and the impromptu parties that come up. For anything, for everything, I'm always ready. So you would want to give this a try this summer, because I'm pretty sure hair removal is a great hassle when it comes to summers, because you cannot really wear your favorite clothes all the time. So that's why I would say try this one. It will be a life-changing experience for you. So guys, this is the state of my hand right now. You can see this small tiny hair. I really hope you can see it. I'll show you how I remove it. So there is this button or the switch. I'm going to turn it. There are like 2 modes. So this is the smaller mode. Yes, this is the sound that it makes. So this is mode 1, where the speed will be slow, and this is mode 2, where the speed will be high. Now I'll just shut it and just quickly talk you a bit. So how I'm going to just use it is, so like for example, my hair growth is in this direction. So I will put the epilator 90 degree to the surface of my hand or the area where you want to epilate, and then move it away from the growth of the hair. That means you have to move it against the growth of the hair. The hair growth goes in this direction. I will move in this direction, and I'll show you that this particular thing will come off. So let's get started. I'm going to switch it on. So if I can show you, if the camera can focus, you can see this small tiny hair. You can see this small tiny hair over here. So it takes out every tiny bit of hair. As you can see that all the hair has been taken off. Now you can see that there is almost no hair. That's how I keep myself hair free all the time, and you can do that too. So it really works like a miracle, guys. So that was everything in this video of mine, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful. And if any of my subscribers or viewers who are watching this video and if you have used this product, please feel free to put in the comment section your experience, so that it helps other people to decide if they want to go for epilators. It definitely hurts a little bit, but then do not get intimidated by that little hurt. It is just in the beginning. After that, everything gets fine. I'm just repeating it because every time people just scare you, acha epilator, it hurts like hell. No, it doesn't hurt that much. Just use this product and say no to waxing forever. That's it. That's what I want to say. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, you take care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, keep smiling, and I love you very much. Bye.